There are buildings, and there are buildings of the future, powered by next-generation OpenBlue technology. Let me explain. Take a look at this place. A seal from this company means the people who work and visit here know the building managers take health and safety seriously. Now let's take a closer look. The first thing to spot is this place is touch-free, so no door handles to push or buttons to press. The receptionist issues me a Bluetooth-enabled visitor badge, an elegant way to manage and monitor my journey through the building. Yep, I'm told my meeting room is ready and the people I'm meeting know I'm here. Before I even get there, the building is a step ahead. Security and reception are told when I'm expected, my meeting room is booked, the temperature and air quality are checked. Even when my meeting is over and I leave, the building will know. Impressive. So I really feel like things here are under control, that the building is smart, connected. Over there is a massive monitor showing indoor air quality, security, sustainability measures, and other info. Green means good, and the air does feel fresher. That's because this building has a healthy flow of air that's well ventilated and filtered. In fact, the weather outside is something the building actually tracks, automatically changing the settings inside so that everything feels just right. Hey look, these are the people I'm here to see. Now the building management system steps in and guides us to the right meeting room. Just as we enter, the clever energy-saving lighting comes to life. The room is ready, and there's coffee brewing. All of this technology makes me feel like I stepped into the future. I notice there's a high-efficiency air purifier in the corner. The room feels welcoming and fresh, and I breathe easier knowing extra clean air is being pumped into the space. The whole place feels safe, comfortable, and inviting. What a building! People who work in the building also have an app on their devices that lets them book a clean space that's ready to use and is safely away from others. Pretty neat, really. And over there, through the secure doors, is the facilities office. It's like a nerve center where important information from all over the building flows. Everything from room booking, security settings, access records, temperature settings, even down to how many steps people are taking to get from one place to another and figuring out how to improve movement efficiency. Here, they're constantly monitoring everything with remote security, fire, and HVAC systems working away behind the scenes. Shooting the breeze with the building manager, I discovered their advanced security systems help them make quick decisions in real time. Truly amazing. But I wonder if this is all just a fad, a knee-jerk reaction to the last few years? Turns out, it's quite the opposite. The way the HVAC and energy systems are managed means that the building is costing a lot less to run and is using fewer resources to do it, all the while ensuring the air is clean and the spaces are safe. Healthy, secure, sustainable buildings enabled by OpenBlue aren't just for now. They're the next big thing, making workplaces more dynamic, smarter, bringing together connected solutions for healthy people, healthy places, and a healthy planet. Boosting productivity, increasing profitability, and enhancing sustainability, while making the people who work there feel more comfortable, safer, and more in control. With all this safe space and clean, fresh air, you might say I'm a big fan. To see how you can work with Johnson Controls to bring healthy, safe, and sustainable buildings into your enterprise, search OpenBlue. Johnson Controls, the power behind your mission.